This is where I eat food. That is where I have lunch. It's a lunch. I guess it's very beautiful. It's very awesome. I'm waiting to eat something. The chance that I have to be a master of engineering. I'm not gonna be for the rumors an expert of marketing because I didn't study economy for real. This is just a combination that works within my credits. I surplus for the PhD for working